Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use viewchild to call child method from parent. So let's see. So this is the same page. So in child component we can create method that will access from parent. So let's create one method called setData, which will receive one parameter. Should be value. Let's set it to this dot data equal to val. So this will override the data input which we have received from parent. So whenever I call this method, that will override this this value. So there is no change in child component HTML. So let's go to parent component HTML. For that we have to create a reference variable. So I import viewchild here and provide child component to that, and a name which I have given in parent component HTML that I'll use here. So viewchild is from this decorator is from Angular core module. So this is what a syntax of creating a reference variable using viewchild of child component. So this child can access all the properties, public properties from child component. So we'll add one method, or we can update same data. That should be good. So here I can access this dot child. So you can see, let me remove this. You can see all properties, public properties. You can see data, property, method, all you can set from here. So let's call setData from this component, and I'll pass this message with addition to that some text which tells this is coming from parent component and setting data to a child component. So let me correct this typo. So check all the changes and let me save this. So if you see, click on send to child some data, so it will print you hey, this is from parent function setting data. So this is how it works, viewchild. So let's go to editor and let's check what I have done. So I have created child variable, reference variable here, and calling method which is available in child component. Let me correct this. Or I need to format, I guess. So this is about all viewchild calling child method from parent component. That's it. Thank you for watching.